her down. Was it fire on every fourth revolution?
No, this is governor operated. It doesn't matter how many revolutions it goes.
Now here it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. It fires on every one. Then why does it pop?
It just pops when it's firing. It's not firing every rotation.
Right.
When the pop is when it fires the cylinder.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's just rotating and it's not giving fuel to the cylinder.
Right, because it seemed like every 4.
No, these things don't have any timing. It's got a little governor that has 2 little weights on it, and the spring opens up.
Yeah.
And as that opens up, it'll tell the magneto to give a blast off whenever the timing is right.
So how do you know about it?
Because I helped.
Did you help build this?
Not this one.
Yeah.
My grandpa's got one of these, and I build the little ones.
So these were actually in use, huh?
Nah, not currently really.
No?
Third world countries, they still use this kind of deal.
Really?
Here, it's rare to see these used.
Yeah. So your grandfather has one of these?
Mm-hmm. His isn't on cart though. It's solid state.
Same size?
Yep.
And it runs on what, natural gas?
You can run it on natural gas if you pipe it that way, but these are mostly propane powered.
Propane? Okay.
This one might be natural gas. I forget.
So are any of them like oil powered or anything like that?
Crude oil, you could get some, but the bigger ones were usually compressed gas.
Okay, well, he's going to start it.
Second verse, same as the first. Okay. I'll give you a little high speed.
Okay.
I think I will. I might be out of propane.
Out of fuel.
I'm out of propane.
That was pretty cool how you started it though. That's awesome.
Maybe tomorrow.
That's fine. I'll come back tomorrow for that.